So, like the common topics in performance management. In the last diet, ICAN actually shocked us. Yeah, May 2026 diet. Because, like, the common topics didn't come out. And in a way, people still passed. Like, that was my highest score, 71 actually. So, like, the most common topic is actually variance. Variance is to come out. But in the last diet, there was no variance. There was no question on variance. Sorry. The next one is budget. Yeah, budget actually do comes out, and it's actually very simple if you know it. In the last diet, budget didn't come out. What's it called? The modern management accounting techniques like ABC, throughput accounting, life cycle costing, and target costing is actually also very, very important. It comes out a lot. But in the last May 2026 diet, it didn't come out. Investment appraisal is also under PM. It doesn't really, okay, it comes out, but didn't come out in the last diet. Relevant costing and decision making. See, this relevant costing, you have to know relevant costing. I know it did not come out in the last diet, but it's a very, very, very common topic in PM. So you have to know relevant costing. Divisional performance evaluation. See, this divisional performance evaluation, it came out in last diet. And it came out in question 4, it came out in question 7. Because under divisional performance evaluation, there's transfer pricing underneath. So question number 4 was transfer pricing, and under they asked us to explain ROI and RI. Then there was a question separately, question number 7, that asked for ROI and RI, just like that. So divisional performance evaluation is a must know. Like I said, transfer pricing. Learning and experience curve too. Learning and experience curve came out in last diet. I'm sorry. Then the CVP and BEP analysis. Yeah, multiple product BEP. It actually came out in last diet. That too, you must know it. Limiting factor, single limiting factor and double limiting factor. It didn't come out in the last diet. But it's actually a very, very common topic. So limiting factor, both single limiting and double limiting factor, you should know them. Pricing decisions, like pricing strategy, all those I think from chapter 28 to like downwards part, that's where pricing decision and pricing strategy is. Performance measurement, KPIs, yeah, the non-financial working capital, performance ratio and the likes, it still comes out. The risk and uncertainty, it actually comes out. Linear programming, wow, linear programming should have been on top, because linear programming is actually a question that actually really do comes out. You know, linear programming is actually like single limiting factor. Yeah. So quality cost, inventory management, forecasting methods, and the strategic models, they do come out a lot. Not really a lot, but like the ones I listed above were the most common one. This one are just, something they ask once in a while. Then we have the project and information management, like data protection, like that from chapter 28 downwards. Yeah, all those written part, they do come out, but like not really, but they do come out. Disclaimer: all the topics I'm mentioning above are common topics, and you might be looking at like that I'm mentioning all topics. The main reason why I'm mentioning almost all topics is because ICAN can shock you. Yeah, so I don't want you to like just focus on something and leave the rest. No, I did not give you all the topics in the ICAN syllabus. I didn't mention all. So focus on the one I mentioned first, but then don't neglect the rest. Don't neglect the rest, because I'm not ICAN and I can't guarantee you that this is what will come out. So don't neglect the rest. Try to like cover the whole syllabus. Start reading early. This is very, very important. Thank you very much.